Hello students of standard 5. Today we are going to learn chapter 4 Greedy Govind part 2. You see, in this lesson Govind was a very greedy boy. He never liked to share with anyone. Even he had 4 brothers, but with them also he did not like to share. He liked to have everything. Greedy, I have explained to you previous class what greedy means. So children, do you like to have these kinds of adjective in your life? No. This is not good adjective. We have learned last class so many adjectives. Good, sharing, caring, loving, being obedient, patience. These are the good adjectives which we can cultivate in our life. So children, here Govind is a boy. In his family there are 4 brothers, but he was so selfish. And what is the result of the selfishness? We will see in this lesson. The 4 Gulati brothers, his title is Gulati, Govind Gulati. Tarun, Vicky and Govind were all sitting at the table. Where they were? They were at the table for their meal. The boys were excited because mummy was making her special doklas and khandvi with chutney. So he is telling all the 4 brothers were very happy and excited. They were sitting at the table and waiting for mummy to bring the food for them as dokla, khandvi and chutney. This is a Gujarati meal, and he says everyone in the family loved her doklas and khandvi. Their mummy's preparation in the family, everybody liked this dokla and khandvi. Mummy came out with a plate of doklas. So mummy came carrying the plate. See here, look at that. Mummy came with the plate of doklas, and these 4 brothers are sitting here for the meals. Quick as flash, Govind jumped up and grabbed a piece of the plate. So mummy will never do partiality to anybody. All the 4 brothers she will give, but Govind has no patience. He jumped as quick as he could and took the piece of dokla fast into his plate. Grabbed a piece of dokla, took very fast. Then he sat down again and started gobbling at it. So he took that and he started gobbling means putting in the mouth so much that his mouth cheeks get swelling. So he was putting so fast in the mouth to finish and for the next to take. So he could have a second piece before his brothers could serve themselves. So before the brothers can get second piece, he wanted to have the second piece. Oh, said Anand, what's happened to your nose, Govind? So Anand said, Govind, what happened to your nose? Nose is swelling and it's a blue color. What happened to you? Govind was too busy eating to notice that his nose had suddenly become very long as Pinocchio's, maybe even longer. So it had grown so lengthy, so big. So he is telling that even he was so busy, he could not notice that his nose is grown so big. Mummy came out next with a big bowl of chutney. Now mummy brought chutney. Meanwhile they have finished. Oh ho! Shouted all the children as they held out their plates, waiting to serve. But what did Govind do? Govind pushed Tarun with his elbow so that he could be served first. So he did Tarun, he pushed with his elbow, this is called elbow, and he wanted to be the first to get, so he went there, pushing him out. But what did Govind do? He thought that the faster he was served, the quicker he could eat, and the quicker he could eat, the better the chances he had of getting a second helping. So he is telling, if I eat fast, I can get more and more, I can eat, but I don't want to be last. So he was trying, pushing and always trying to get the first so that he can have. You must not do what Govind said. You must not do that, Govind, said Mummy in a stern voice. Stern voice means very strongly she said, Govind, you should not do this. He's your brother. You should be kind to him. You cannot push anybody. But Govind paid no attention to her. But Govind was very busy in eating. So he did not pay any attention what mother says. He was just kept himself busy. Tarun did not worry about Govind pushing him. He was really worried about what was happening to Govind's skin. It had turned bright green. But Tarun was sitting and watching his brother Govind. And he was saying that first nose was grown up and now whole body is and face is became light green color. So he was worried about his skin. What is happening to him? Govind, he exclaimed. He was so shocked. What is happening? Look here, how his face is becoming green. And here is Tarun, this is Govind. Govind's face is becoming fully bright green. However, Govind had no time to listen to what Tarun had to say. What Tarun was saying also, he had no time to listen. He was just busy in eating. He was too busy waving his plate in front of Mummy's face to make sure that he got more soft, fluffy and peeping hot dokla than anyone else. He said he was only busy to get the dokla from Mummy hot, softy, very soft. And he wanted to eat that. He did not worry what Tarun says, what mother says. So dear children, we should not be so selfish. We should care for others. We should love for others. We should have understanding for each other. We should look each other what they are needing, what they are saying, what they need, or what I have. What is my situation of the body? What I feel, that also should be sensible person. Okay children, I hope you all will not do this what Govind has done. So thank you children. If you have any doubt, please call on my phone.